Hello, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the AI writer to effortlessly generate posts on Only Social. Let's get started. First, head over to your account and click Create Post from your dashboard. Click on the AI assistant, and then instruct the AI writer on the specific topic you want it to cover. For instance, if you need an engaging post about Earth Day, simply type in your topic, and voila. But wait, there's more. You can select the tone of voice you want your post to have. Friendly, formal, edgy, engaging, you name it. Let's try friendly. The AI writer will generate a post that sounds warm and inviting. Do you have an existing post that you want to enhance? No problem. Simply paste it in and click Rephrase. The AI writer will reword it while preserving the original message. You can use the AI writer to correct spelling and grammar. It will clean up your content efficiently. Additionally, the AI writer can expand your post. Simply click Expand for a comprehensive version. To condense your post, click Shorten to make your content more succinct. For simplification, click Simplify, and the AI will make your content more digestible. You can also change the tone of your post at any time. For an edgier tone, select Use Edgy Tone, and let the AI work its magic. If you need an entirely new post, click Generate Entire New Post. Enter your topic or keywords, and the AI will handle the rest. Finally, add your media from the media library. If you don't have media suitable for your post, no problem. Use our AI image generator to create your image. Select the social media profile where you wish to post and preview your content. If you are satisfied with it, you may either post it immediately or schedule it for a later time. And that's it. Using the AI writer is super easy and powerful. Got questions or tips? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.